Good afternoon, traders. It's Tuesday, March 24th at 3:04 p.m. Let's review our trade setups we had for today. We had MU and we had the QQQs. So let's have a look on the daily chart down here. MU opened, pulled back, and we got a little wick on the bottom here. So let's see. We were mapping this out around here, around 4:30 in the morning. We were bullish above 412.50, bearish below 404. The 412.50 never occurred, but the 404 occurred a couple times pre-market, 5:10 a.m. Then we came up and we tagged this cam. So those of you that don't believe in pivots and cams, pretty important there. This one came up to 408 and then back down to 404. And then into the open, we came down here and hit a low of 391. And then lower high, higher low, but we actually did make it all the way down here to our target 389.16, which was S1, and then below that would have been 385, just because there was a massive pocket here down to 380, and plus the ATR, and this thing's about 27 bucks. So anyway, this came down and hit our S1 for about a 15-point move. All right, let's go ahead and look at the QQQs. So for the QQQs, we were bullish above 590.51, bearish below 588. So we were mapping this out around here. So we wanted this to get above this 590.51. That didn't actually happen. And then so 588, which was this print here, this 509K print, we pulled back, hit some targets, but look at this. This is print pong, these white lines. So we came back and pulled back here at 5:15 a.m. back up to the cam, and then we just started moving down all the way into the open, kind of like what MU did as well, but bearish below 588. And then our target here was 582.98, which was this cam down here. We held that, pulled back with the print, and this was a pretty good reversal, increasing volume, breaking above. Now those of you that are watching this sort of thing, there's the break and retest that fails. So here's the break, moving back up, holding the print, and breaking above with increasing volume. Now this one's a whip. This was whippy today, but this cam was actually support, and this wound up coming all the way back up to this cam up here at 587. So that's a 4-something point move on the upside. For me trading that, you've got this, and then you'd probably take some profit there, and then wait to see if you would get stopped out or break even on the second part. But this held and then moved up to make a higher high there. And then it pulled back to the same print and then back up again. So we're playing print pong, and let's see what's come in today. Look at all of that orange. All the orange are the real-time prints that actually came in today. So dark pools are heavy in this range today, in a $5 range though. So there is opportunity to make some money there. But anyway, this retracement trade into the open actually worked, and then you'd have to be diligent in catching a break with increasing volume for a retracement. And remember, we're bearish at the moment on the market, so rallies get sold into. So you have this increasing volume and a rally, and then it pulls back, and we haven't made a higher high yet. We'll see what happens here, if this can maybe rally into the close. All right, there you have it. Those are the results of your 2 trade setups for today. So hopefully you're making some money on these. Leave some comments in the comment section below. Let us know how you're doing. So like, share, subscribe, do all of that. Sign up for our weekly report, MobyTickTrading.com/weekly-report, where we look at swing trades, learn about the dark pools, and go through our trades from the previous week and see what's happening. And those have been doing quite well. All right, happy trading, everyone. We'll see you tomorrow with all new trades. MobyTick has partnered with TrendSpider to bring real-time institutional trades to your charts. Click the link in the description below for more details.